child alone, and while I carried me her son, his hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. Left his home and went his lone in solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I'll never can repay.